How to change a group photo on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the group photo on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and now click any group you want, like this one here, click on it and then click these 3 points, or you can just click here and after that click this pen icon, and that's it. Now click add group photo and you can select take a photo or select from gallery, and that's it. Then just select it, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.